With the Synthesys affiliate program, turning your network into a revenue stream is just a few clicks away. Let's dive in and see how easy it is to get started. Start by clicking the Fill the Form button on our affiliate page. Fill in the form to join our exclusive affiliate list. This will get you important updates, banners, email swipes, promotional material, and more. Once you're signed up in our list, it's time to create your free affiliate account. Just click the button, then click the Request to Promote button and create a free account. In 24 hours, our team will approve your account and you'll access your personal dashboard. Here, you can find your unique affiliate link, which is key to tracking your referrals. Utilize our ready-to-use promotional materials in your blogs, emails, or social media to reach your audience effectively and drive conversions. Earn up to 40% in commissions for every new subscription that signs up through your link. Monitor your earnings and performance directly from your dashboard. Receive your payments hassle-free. We offer convenient payout options to suit your needs. Start promoting Synthesys today. For more tips and information, visit our affiliate resources section or contact our support team. We're here to help you succeed. Join the Synthesys affiliate program now. Your opportunity starts here.